and the Elastic Mind is an exhibition that shows and highlights how designers help us live a better life, more fulfilled, and even having an easier time with technology. It really shows how designers, when they're good, take scientific and technological revolutions and transform them into objects that people like you and me can use in our everyday lives. The exhibition gathers about 250 objects from all over the world, made by designers, scientists, artists, ranging in age from 23 to 85, and it really covers pretty much all the possibilities of this relationship between design and innovation. It is arranged in our 6th floor gallery according to scale. You move into the exhibition and you start out with the smaller scale, the scale of the nanoparticles, the scale of the biological and molecular particles. Then you move into the human scale, and ultimately you reach the large scale that signifies largest amount of complexity. A very important part of the exhibition is the information design that was carried out by designers inside this museum, by Bonnie Ralston and her collaborators. You'll notice that in every single label in the show, there's a little symbol that shows a human being in relationship with something else. That's truly one of the most important aspects of the show, to highlight how designers always have human beings, us, in mind. And no matter what they're dealing with, whether nanoparticles or the universe, they want to bring them back to our human scale. Design and the Elastic Mind really talks about how we have to stretch our minds every day to cope with so many different changes in pace, in rhythm, in scale, in time zones, in resolution of screen, you name it, in our relationship with groups of people and individuals, and really highlights how design helps us cope with all these different changes.